If you're broke or you know someone who is, this is all you or they need to know. Money is simple, money is easy, and I'm not trying to sound arrogant, but it really is. The math behind money is simple. First, you need to get out of debt and stay out of debt. If you're in debt, you're always going to be having money built against you and not building for you. You're always going to be paying interest payment on interest payment on interest payment, sucking all of your extra money away, and sometimes bringing you into even more debt. Next, you want to save for an emergency fund. This is really easy. You want to have about 3 to 9 months worth of expenses. So in case if you lose your job, if you get a big medical bill or your car blows out or anything like that, you have some money left over so that you're able to buy those things without going into debt like we talked about earlier. After that, you want to invest what you can and then hopefully get to 15% of your income over time. This can be really hard when you start because you're not used to investing. And so sacrificing even 5 to 10% of your budget really hurts. But over time, if you get to 15%, you'll have no problems retiring. After that, you just want to continue to work hard at your job, hard at your job, hard at your job. Pick up more hours, increase your skills, become more valuable to your bosses, and they'll give you more raises and you'll earn more money. And if you want, you can start a side hustle or try to become an entrepreneur because that is where a lot of real wealth will be built. That being said, I just word vomited a bunch of financial information at you on how to become successful. However, some people are still poor. So if those steps are really that easy and that's all it takes to become rich, then why do people not become rich? Emotions. We try to buy things we can't afford to impress people that don't care about us. We chase a quick feel-good high, so we buy a scratch-off ticket at the gas station. We buy a pick-me-up coffee drink every day before we go to work. We try to buy the latest and greatest new iPhones when we have a new iPhone that already works well enough. And we just waste a bunch of money. We also get scared to do what's right as it's hard, right? It's hard to invest. It's hard to sacrifice our budget. It's hard to learn about those things. But it's the people that do that become rich. However, not everybody does that, meaning that some people have to be poor. Ultimately, that points to not a lack of education, not a lack of how to get the money, but determination and reason to build. I think for a lot of young men, a great reason to build is for having a wife and kids, right? I think that there's something innate in our being of men that we want to take care of a wife, that we want to take care of family, and those are great desires, but we should also leverage them to get what we want. If we want to be rich and we want to provide for our family, that's a good desire. Let's go out and do it for that reason. Another reason could be letting your parents down. So many parents have these super high expectations, but ultimately all they want is for us to live a great life. Your parents spent at least 18 years raising you up. Don't you want to do something in return to show them that you're thankful and that you're grateful? It's a big deal, so go out and work for them. But also, you're letting yourself down. You have one life, live it to the fullest, not just to make a bunch of money, but do something impactful in this world while you're here. I think oftentimes we look to others, but some of the most biggest self-determination, self-motivation could come from ourselves. So what can we do today? The main thing is to just start taking action. Learn about what you need to about the basics of personal finance. I went through a step plan at the beginning of this video, but learn what debt is and how to stay out of it. Learn how to save, learn how to invest, and learn how to do it well. Learn how credit cards work, look how mortgages work, look at how cars work, and over time, you're just going to build a better education for yourself and a foundation to start. Then after that, start taking simple, small action steps. This could be starting to invest or at least opening a portfolio. This could be trying to pick up some extra hours at work. This could be cutting back some needless expenses that you're buying throughout the week. Whatever it is, you just need to take some small steps to help you get going. And then after that, you just need to continue. Continue to go through the hardness, continue to go through the grit, right? I'm not saying that making a bunch of money is easy. Saving a bunch of money is easy. Getting a bunch of money through the stock market is easy. No, none of that stuff is easy. That's why there's not many rich people and a whole lot of poor people. However, the people that continue will succeed. It's really that simple. And as we talked about earlier with all those things, as time goes on, you're going to get better and better and better. You're going to get better at your job. You're going to get better at saving. You're going to get better at investing. And you're going to get better at cutting back stupid expenses you don't need and making less stupid decisions overall. It's really that simple. If you want to get rich, learn how to get rich, make a plan to be able to do so, and then follow through with that plan. I think so many men in this generation have a lack of the ability to just go through with a plan that they set for themselves. Have your own self-accountability and have your own determination to go out and do that. Again, getting wealthy isn't hard in the sake of figuring out how to do it, but it is in the determination and actually going out and getting it done, which is why not everyone will be rich, but anyone can be if they choose to. It's really that simple.